How to customize lock screen on Samsung M32. First of all, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap on the lock screen option. Here you will find several options to customize your lock screen experience. Under screen lock type, you can change or add your current PIN, password, pattern, swipe, or biometric options like face recognition and fingerprint. Under smart lock, you can set your device to stay unlocked when it's connected to trusted device such as a watch or in trusted places like your home. You can also access secure lock settings to adjust security features like auto lock timing and locking behavior. Additionally, there is an always on display option where you can choose to show information like time and notification even when the screen is off. You will also find options for the roaming clock to display dual time zones on the lock screen. Next, tap on lock screen. Here you can customize what appears on your lock screen. Tap on the visible elements like the clock to change its style. Additionally, you can adjust notifications display on the lock screen. Tap on notifications and choose whether to show content fully, hide sensitive content, or hide notification entirely. This helps keep your information private while still allowing quick access to alerts. Furthermore, you can change the display name and can also change the lock screen apps by tapping on it. If you want to add widgets, you can enable or disable widgets on the lock screen such as alarm, weather, music controls, and more, giving you quick access to essential info without unlocking your phone. And that's it. Now you know how to customize the lock screen on Samsung M32. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.